Only the best for Oreo. It's beef and scrambled eggs. It's one of her favorite dinners. You know, they say cats are obligate carnivores. That means that they have to eat meat. That's not true. They do just fine on a vegetarian diet as long as you're careful with what you feed them. Yeah, I know this isn't a vegetarian diet. I was just...
You're freaking doing it. You're a cop.
I've done that so thankfully.
Oreo was so skinny when I got her about a month and a half ago. I've really been trying to fatten her up, and she has put on considerable weight. She's full grown, 2 years old, a Tonkinese,
Is that what Ellie said?
last time I weighed her she was 6.5 pounds. She's just tiny.
Yeah, how do I save everyone a lot of trouble?